Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's the life of Stephanie. And I am Ibri Stephanie. So today's video is simply going to be an unboxing video, and trust me when I say I am superly excited because I've been waiting for this day like since forever. Like, I'm being very serious right now. So let's just get straight into what I have for you today. So guys, right before I unveil the Dr Martens shoes that someone got for me, I'd like to just give you guys a brief story time here. Okay, so I've wanted this pair of shoes for I can't even remember, the last 3-4 years, yeah, ever since I set my eyes on them. I don't even know how to even put it. So I and my sister were always going online checking out shoes, and that kind of stuff where you just add to cart and you will never buy it. You're just going online to check for different stuff. So I saw this shoe and I really loved them because there's a way you can dress corporate with them and you look so fine. You look so neat, clean, sleek, everything looking pink. And so I was talking to my friend, that was last month, and we're just God, when will we get these pairs of shoes? And I was only God can knows. So that's just it basically. So that was I think day before yesterday. So my special friend got me the Dr Martens shoes. I don't know if you guys can see it. Anyway, so this is it. I'm so excited. So I just said to unbox it with you guys because why not. So that's just the basic. So guys, right before I show you guys the Dr Martens shoes that I got, I would like you guys to pause this video, yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel, it's down below, yeah, hit the subscribe button, please, 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 and please. Thank you so much. Like this video, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Okay, so guys, I know most of you might be wondering why I'm putting on this earpiece for the first time. It's basically because my neighbors, they keep on switching on their generator, so I just have to adapt. So that's just it. Anyway, the moment you all have been waiting for, this is the Dr Martens shoes that I've been telling you guys about, yeah. So it cost up to, I don't know, let's just say 40k, yeah, plus way bill and everything. I don't really know. I asked my special friend, but he didn't really tell me the particular price. So I went online and I still checked for it. So I'm just feeling so fly. Anyway, so as you guys can see here, this is the label, yeah, it's a quad 1461, yeah, and my shoe size is mainly 43, 44, and 45. It depends on the shoe. So these are the sizes: Europe, UK, US, and Japan. I feel those are the 4 countries that they deliver it to, or that make the shoes. I don't really know, but I went online and I found out that yeah, those are the countries that make the shoes. So yeah, I don't want to bore you guys with all of this, so let me just start unboxing it. And voila. Okay, so I'm so excited. Oh my god, can you see this? I'm feeling so fly. Can you see the design? the sole is so high. Like, I think this would be around 5 cm or so. Yeah, I just like it because it really adds to my height a lot. I won't say I'm that tall, I'm just maybe 5'4" or so. So this really adds to my height a little bit. So yeah, anyway, tomorrow is Monday, so I'll be showing you guys my look with this shoe for the first time. So here you have a tag. I don't really know what this is, it's just a tag. And here is the second pair. So I'm just going to keep this on the floor. I have the wrapping sheet, and they gave me this bag. I don't really know. I think it's to keep the pair of shoes. Yeah. So this is really, really cute. Yeah. And that's just it basically. So I'm done with showing you guys the exterior part of the shoe. So if you want to buy the Dr. Martens shoe, what you should look out for is the sole. Yeah, it must be very, very high. Yeah, this is very, very important. Secondly, this part, it should be hard, although this one is not really that hard. It's not as hard as I was expecting, but it's really, really, really hard. Yeah, it smells nice though. Okay, so another thing you should look out for when getting the Dr. Martens shoes is the yellow stitch. Yeah, these stitches here, they have to be yellow. I just love the shoes, like they are just so smooth. Like, and another thing that I really like about them is that it's not really hard to maintain. If you want to clean it, just use a dry rag, clean the surface. Then I saw a hack where you can use a little bit of Vaseline, because they have their own special polish, but due to some circumstances I'm not sure I can be able to get them quickly, so I'll just use the life hack I saw, where you get a very, very dry rag, you wipe it, then use Vaseline to, like, you know, clean the surface so that it can shine. Although they don't need cleaning now because they're still new, looking all cute. So I have a lot of ideas on how to style these shoes, but I think I'll have to do another video telling you guys showing you guys 10 looks you can use this shoe to style. You know, it will be very, very nice, because I have a lot of ideas on how to style this shoe, but you know, don't worry, I'll do another video on that. So thank you so much guys for sticking around and unboxing my Dr. Martens quad shoes. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and mainly leave the comment section banging. Yeah, I love to see your comments on this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.